Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I opened the application Smores application. You can see I have 304 points available. That means $3. I'm choosing Amazon gift card. You can see claim was successful. You click on no, done. It was instant Amazon gift card, guys. You can see I'm going to open my Gmail account that linked to the Smores account. You can see still loading. You can see Smores redemption. Click on that link. Okay, I'm choosing Chrome. You can see, guys, the gift card has been shown successfully. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. App link also in the description, guys. Thank you. If you have any questions, ask me. Thank you.